What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here. You guys see I'm not wearing a hat today. I decided to let my hair air out today because I've been wearing hats and hoodies, and I don't feel like it's good long term because I'm already starting to get bald, so I'm trying to stop that, right? So anyways, right now we're just filling up our water tank, and I just wanted to mention that I do have a water spigot at my apartment complex. Now, I know this might not be available for everybody, but it is for me in my case. When I went out, apartment shopping or whatever, I made sure that was certain things that I needed. Like a water faucet is very important for me because I do run a mobile detail business, so I need to make sure that I'm able to fill my water tank up and I have access to water. So I just connect it to the spigot and then just have the hose connect to the kind of like a garden attachment here. You guys can hear it. So I have that attachment on the top there, you guys see, and it has like a lock on it, so I just throw it in the tank and basically just fills up. It's kind of cold actually, but for today we have 4 maintenance clients and we're gonna go ahead and knock these cars out. Danielle should be coming, so we're just gonna go ahead and get ready so when she does come we can just head out for the day. But I'm gonna just kind of record a vlog kind of day. I'm gonna go ahead and record everything that we're doing, and hopefully y'all enjoy the video. So stay tuned. Hustle never settle. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's go. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. So we had 4 vehicles for today, but you guys will see later in the video. You probably could see by the thumbnail and the title that we didn't get to do all 4. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and talk about the ones that we are doing. So we have a Subaru STI, which is a monthly maintenance client of mine. And this car gets pretty dirty pretty quick because of the brake dust on the rims and stuff like that. He probably drives it really fast and slams on the brakes pretty often. So we're just gonna go ahead and make sure we get this thing looking nice for our client. We also have this Mercedes CLA that we're gonna go ahead and wash, wax, do an interior detail on, and just get it looking fresh and clean again, because that's what we're here for. We're here to make our clients' life a lot easier and keep their cars looking clean year round. So we kind of just went ahead and washed both vehicles at the same time just to be a lot quicker. It took us 15 minutes to wash both vehicles, which I want to give a special and big shout out to Danielle, because she's a beast, man. She keeps up with my speed, and we were able to knock both cars out in 15 minutes, which is very, very fast. If you guys know, when you're out here washing cars, it takes a long time. Now, keep in mind, these are maintenance washes, so we didn't clay bar. We didn't, went ahead and do any polishing or anything like that. It was just the wash and wax with our Shockit ceramic spray wax and just, in and out, right? So these were both $80 a piece, and we did an interior and exterior detail. So, they're not too bad. But anyways, I'm going to just let you guys enjoy this detailing process and stuff like that. Make sure you guys like the video, comment down below, and all the tools and everything like that would also be linked down below to my Amazon affiliate account. Alright, YouTube, so we have officially finished both maintenance details on this Mercedes and Subaru STI. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and get some real footage with my phone for Instagram and stuff. So I'm gonna just record the last touches right now. So these cars are looking good, man. We actually had like 4 cars stop by and take a look at the car, saying good job, and they wanted to know what the prices are and stuff like that. So I'm gonna record us applying some trim shine to this trim right there. We still missing that spot on both front ends, and then that's about it for both vehicles. So you guys are taking a look here. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Honestly, I love Mercedes, and if I were to get one, it would be something like this. Honestly, this car is so badass. Like, it's so nice. I love it. I love it. So here's a look at the interior.
I think I didn't get to show you guys the before because we were so busy. We're trying to knock these cars out. We got here at 9 and it's currently 11:50. So you guys can tell we were definitely working, you know. So yeah, I love this car, man. I love it. Can't wait to get me one of these right here. So windows are done, door jambs are done, wheels are done, washed it, waxed it, all that good stuff. And the same thing for this one. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and dress the trim here, and I'm gonna record that with my phone for Instagram. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, make sure you do. I'm gonna go ahead and link it right here. Mendez Auto Detail, make sure you guys follow us. So here we have the Subaru STI. This thing looks good. Now this is a beast. You guys know this car is a beast on the streets. So there we go, got the wing on the back. This thing is badass. Nice car. Also did an interior detail. Got it looking nice and clean. Also back here, make sure we took all the trash out of the client's car. Looks nice and good. Just got to clean up this area, record my reel, and then we'll go ahead and leave to our next clients for the day after we take a little break. So catch you guys when we get to the next one. I think the next one is either an Infiniti or a Honda Accord. Either way, we'll see you when you get there. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's go. And just like that, YouTube, we are done with this Honda Accord full detail. All right, so you guys see it right behind me here. We just wrapped it up. All right, you guys, so we got the cops called on this. You guys see in the background, we're just detailing out here. The owner of this place didn't want us out here, so she called the cops on us and she wants to kick us out of this parking lot. So makes for good content. I'm gonna just record. She went up to us and grabbed my pressure washer hose. We were detailing, spraying the car. She came up to me and she grabbed it. I was like, whoa, who's this? You know, I turned around. She's like, hey, you stop this. You can't do this here, this, and that. And I was just like, wow, you're assaulting me. What are you doing? And then she got pissed. She called the cops. Cops are here. And we're about to go ahead and head off.
All the logistics to runoffs of water and chemicals. I'm not getting into all that. Okay?
Exactly.
She just doesn't want you doing any car washing on her property. Okay?
Right. Which I respect. She
Yeah.
just approached it.
Yeah, the way it was done. I got it. Yeah. Do you have any other questions for me?
No.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No. They can come here, shop, whatever.
Yeah,
They can come
and that's why.
no problem.
Yeah, that's why I just
They
wanted
cannot come
clarification.
here to do the business car washing.
Yeah, I got you. I agree. Okay. So like I said, you're more than welcome to. You're not forbidden to come on the property.
Yeah.
You just can't do any
Right,
car washing.
right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Sounds fair.
Okay. We all good?
I'm good.
Okay.
And you understand? Don't bring them here.
All right, so you guys heard a little bit of the, story and stuff like that when we were talking there, but there's a lot more that has gone into it, but I just don't feel like discussing all the details in the video. So, you guys let me know, has this ever happened to you guys before? Let me know in the comment section down below. But without further ado, thank you guys for making it this far. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.